Hello everyone, this is Marek Pawlus from NCmatic. Welcome in this week's Technical Tuesday with NXCam, the series full of practical tips and tricks about programming toolpaths in NX. This episode is an update to one of my old videos that didn't contain a sound. Today I will present an example of creating user's set of operations, spot drilling, drilling and tapping. At the beginning I want to stress that this is just one of many ways of achieving this specific goal. Other way might be feature-based machining, which I will also describe in Technical Tuesday series. This is an example showing possibilities of customized user's CAM template. In regular NX installation, you will find CAM template files in Mach resource template part, and there you have separate folders for metric and inch units. Depending on which NX version and updates you have installed, you should also look for template files in Mach updates template part folder. You probably recognize most of names of these PRT files. I will reuse whole-making PRT file, which contains templates of operations, which in NX you see in whole-making group. My advice is that you shouldn't edit original template files, but reuse them and create your own templates. This way you will still have access to original ones. So I just made a copy of this file and changed its name. CAM operations and groups defined in this file are actual templates of CAM objects. I'm removing most of them as they won't be needed in my case. And I will add operations which I want to include in the template. I will start with spot drilling operation. In templates of operations, we are not specifying cut areas or feature geometries, but we should specify all other options. This way we will not have to set all these settings again and again when using our new operation. So I will set parameters like depth of cuts, feeds and speeds, and so on. And I will do the same for drilling and tapping operations. My goal in this example is to be able to create entire set of operations at once. I will use whole boss geometry for that, and I will put all my operations inside this geometry group. Here is very important part: template settings. Selecting object can be used as template option will make the object available in CAM projects as your custom subtype of operation, tool, geometry, or method. I use this setting for whole boss geometry. Select Creative Parent is created option if you want this object to be created automatically when you create its parent object. I used this option for operations because I wanted them to be created automatically every time I add a whole boss geometry object to my CAM project. Now we should include our new template file in list of templates. This list is defined in MAH resource template set CAM general OPT. Localization of this file might be different, it depends how your NX installation is configured. In this file, each line defines directories and names of template files. I will add my new template here. And we are ready to test it. After modifying CAM templates, it is a good idea to restart NX or force NX to reread configuration and template set files. You will find this option in Manufacturing Preferences. Now we can use new geometry group. Notice that this geometry group was added together with 3 CAM operations and proper tools which we defined in template file. All we need to do is to select holes for which we want to apply our operations set. Here is a small trick showing how we can quickly find and select all holes with the same diameter. I will use NC Assistant for that. You could also do this with concave faces analyzers, which I was showing in my last video. Obviously, there are also other methods. I showed this one just as an example. After selecting holes to be machined, I will just generate the toolpaths. and it is ready. Purpose of this video was to show you how you can modify templates of CAM objects. Once you will adjust templates to your needs, it will reduce time which you spend on CAM programming. Thank you for watching, all the best, and see you in the next Technical Tuesday with NXCAM.